Hi guys, it's Leah, Family Heritage Living. It is Monday, March 9th, and we are going for a little walk here. Ron did a fabulous job yesterday and all but got the wall behind the stove done, which is what I'm going to show you in this video. And it looks really good. Now, up front, my deal, it's rough sawn lumber. It's from a sawmill here in our area that we got the lumber quite a while ago, and it's like, it's like dirt cheap. You couldn't argue the price. So that's why, even though I'm not a rough sawn lumber person for inside the house, I can definitely deal with it, and it goes well for a cabin. So it's definitely a step above where we were at with nothing on the walls. So looks good, looks old, looks antique-y, or looks like something that would be primitive with my Hoosier and my stove there. It'll be fun to do videos with it. It's a whole new look, baby. It's going to be hard to get everything here on this view from where the camera I'm at, where there's good light, so I'm just going to have to scan around. But that's my wall in the back. We still have to trim the windows, and he still has to do the header, but it really makes a big difference, of course, and it sets off the Hoosier and the stove real nice. If you had your druthers, what would be the way that you would decorate your home? If you could do it, if you don't like the way it's decorated now, or if you could do it from the, have a remodel job, would you go primitive? Would you go modern? Would you do a wood cook stove, or would you do an electric stove? Leave comments below. Let us know if you would be game to do a wood stove. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the share button or hit the bell button. We will talk soon. God bless.